Have you ever wondered why the Can-Am Maverick X3 has two drain plugs? Did you know there is a specific order for one of the plugs? The owner manual only says to replace the metal gaskets, gives no more information. Let's answer those questions and explain the draining order. Here is the main plug, 1, and the small plug, 2. The main plug is obviously for draining the oil of the engine, but the small plug is to prevent mess like that. As soon as you take the cap out, the oil leaks all over the place, making lots of mess. The small plug simply drains the oil filter housing and prevents spillage and mess. Remember to open that small plug before taking the oil filter cap. This will also allow you to drain the old filter from oil, so you not dripping the oil when removing it from the housing. I hope this video will give you a better idea of why two plugs and what they are for. Thanks for watching.